Obsidian versus Evernote. Which note-taking app is better? Choosing the right note-taking app can completely change how you organize your thoughts without feeling overwhelmed. Let's explore both options briefly. Obsidian and Evernote are two popular note-taking apps, each offering unique features. The core difference lies in Obsidian's focus on linking notes for knowledge management, while Evernote emphasizes a user-friendly interface for straightforward note organization. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking application designed for knowledge management. It allows users to create a network of interconnected notes using Markdown formatting. By utilizing a local storage system, Obsidian ensures that your data remains private and accessible offline. One of its key strengths is the ability to create backlinks, enabling users to connect related ideas seamlessly. This feature is particularly beneficial for researchers, writers, and anyone who needs to maintain complex information structures. However, its steep learning curve may be a limitation for new users who prefer a more straightforward approach. The ideal user for Obsidian is someone who values deep organization and is comfortable navigating a more complex interface. Evernote is a well-established note-taking app that focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It provides a clean interface where users can create, organize, and search for notes effortlessly. With features like web clipping, document scanning, and task management, Evernote is suitable for users who want a comprehensive tool for both personal and professional use. Its strengths lie in its rich formatting options and cross-platform synchronization, allowing access to notes from any device. However, some users may find the free version limiting as certain features require a premium subscription. The ideal user for Evernote is someone who seeks a straightforward, user-friendly experience with robust organizational tools. When comparing Obsidian and Evernote, consider your specific needs. If you require a system for linking ideas and managing complex information, Obsidian excels with its unique backlink feature. This is particularly useful for academic work or extensive projects. On the other hand, if you prefer a streamlined approach to note-taking with easy access to features like web clipping and task management, Evernote is the better choice. For users who often switch devices, Evernote's cross-platform capabilities provide a seamless experience. Ultimately, the trade-off lies in choosing between in-depth organization versus user-friendly simplicity. If you value deep organization and knowledge management, Obsidian is the recommended choice for your note-taking needs. For those seeking an intuitive and straightforward note-taking experience, Evernote is the ideal option. It combines ease of use with powerful features. Choose the app that aligns best with your workflow and enjoy enhanced productivity.